GM and welcome to a new video, or should I say video series, because this will be the starting video of a series about abstract, because there's a lot to talk about, and this one will be the general introduction, also showing one or two things that you can do right now. This one here will give you an overview over abstract. As I said, some alpha maybe as well. Abstract is probably the most hyped project and chain that is coming in January 2025. I want to talk about what abstract is, who is behind abstract, and what you can do to maybe get an airdrop. But let's rewind, take a step back, take a look at what abstract actually is. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and send this video to your friends. Now, let's talk about abstract. As always, I will put all the links down in the description. Abstract is a layer 2 blockchain on Ethereum, and the mainnet is coming January 2025. And as you can see, behind this is Igloo, the company behind the Pudgy penguins. There's 2 X accounts, which is always important to get all the info in. The one is abstract chain, basically the main account here. And then we have abstract echo for the ecosystem, and here they present all the different platforms, protocols, everything that is building on top of abstract. So it makes a lot of sense to definitely follow both accounts. To start, what is abstract? Actually, I'm gonna go through this Decrypt article because it's very well structured and it's very good for the opening video of the series. The next one will probably be released in 2 to 3 days, and there we will do a lot of hands-on practical stuff to get to know the chain and also maybe get an airdrop. As I just said in the beginning, Igloo Inc., the parent company of the Pudgy penguins, is behind this layer 2. It's a layer 2 chain on Ethereum, and it wants to be the leading blockchain for consumer crypto products and applications. This is something that they talk a lot about, and that Luca Netz, let's call him the founder. He's not really the founder, but the man behind Pudgy penguins and who led them to their success that they have now, is always talking about consumer crypto. And let's talk about what abstract is. It's a ZK rollup, a layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum, lower transaction costs, it's EVM compatible. That means that all applications that are designed to run on the Ethereum blockchain will run on abstract. Same as Arbitrum, Base, Optimism, all those other layer 2s that you know, they are all EVM compatible. What is this consumer crypto? Luca Netz puts it like that. It's blockchain powered applications that serve billions of people in their everyday lives for personal use. Okay, he also has a blog article about that. That is this one here, where they go into detail about what they mean by that. So if you want to read more on that, link is down in the description. But otherwise, he basically says that games, social platforms, everything that attracts billions of users should be running on abstract. And this is the goal for him and for the whole chain. He says OpenSea is great for digital collectibles, something like Pump Fun, something for, or they need a meme coin, social trading platform. All of that needs to be on abstract and are good examples of successful consumer crypto platforms. As I said, Igloo Inc. is behind this blockchain, and what they actually did is they bought Frame. And some of you that have been following my channel or have been active within the NFT space maybe heard about Frame and their potential upcoming airdrop. So they wanted to give a retroactive airdrop to all the people that have been active in the NFT space, and people could claim their points allocations. I did this as well. I showed this here. What they actually did is they bought them, and also announced a 11 million fundraise. This was in June this year, yeah, in 2024. June. So they actually bought the tech basically and built it to be abstract, or used it to help build abstract and all the developers and the development team behind it. And here's one alpha that I found is here. If you remember the Frame airdrop you checked a few months ago, Frame XYZ is now renamed as Abstract Chain, and then you're definitely eligible for the Abstract Chain airdrop. So if you had a good rank here, chances are pretty high you're also getting a nice allocation of the potential Abstract airdrop then. Okay, so what's so special about Abstract apart from being the layer 2 blockchain of the most hyped NFT project, Pudgy Penguins, at the moment? One thing is the Abstract wallet. Abstract, they developed their own wallet. What they did is they used new developments in account abstraction, and this is the interesting part. They allowed users to create a wallet that needs no extension or secret phrase and does not require gas fees. And that's super interesting. And I opened this here. Let me make that full screen, play it. You can see this here, sign in with Abstract. Then you approve that you're the owner. He's submitting the transaction. The fee is sponsored. And that's it. Transaction complete. No gas fees, no complex extensions, not anything complicated. So this is one thing that will help bring consumer crypto to Abstract Chain, or this is why they are talking about this consumer crypto here. The governance, so a new type of governance design aimed at better aligning the interests of developers and consumers. Actually, what they want to do is they want to incentivize everyone in participating in the governance and voting as well, because then they will share the fees with the active voters. And to those of you that watch my videos will know that this is basically the active staking rewards that Jupiter has, but on a blockchain level. So for Jupiter, for those of you that don't know, if you vote for proposals, if you have staked Jupiter, and if you vote for proposals, then you get rewards for voting. And basically this is like this, but on an other level, basically on the blockchain level. Which apps will be on Abstract? Of course, games, IP, and NFTs. Also infrastructure. There will be a lot of projects that are launching on Abstract already. That's it for the article, but I want to go more into detail because in the next video we're gonna look into the testnet and we can do a lot of stuff there. But what's definitely cooking on Abstract, or what definitely will be cooking on Abstract, will be NFT projects. And before we dive deeper into those, I wanted to show one or two in this video so you can already follow them or fill out forms to maybe get in the pre-sale or get on the allow list for those projects so you're able to actually mint them. Let's go through them. So the most hyped one is definitely Kabu. And actually today I'm recording this video. They wanted to do their pre-sale, which kind of failed actually. As you can see here, they wanted you to connect your Discord and then you could connect your wallet and then basically buy 2 of the NFTs on the base chain. And once Abstract goes live, you would have gotten those 2 NFTs on Abstract, and also the public mint would go live there as well. That actually failed, and now there's a form. If you have been on the Discord from them and got one of the partner roles, then you should definitely check their Discord. Link is down in the description as well. If you have the legacy role, make sure to fill out your wallet until Thursday, because then you're eligible for the pre-sale. They kind of changed it right now, but what you can definitely do, even if you don't have the pre-sale role, then you can go to kabu.xyz/quests, and there you can do different quests, like follow the official account, follow some of the guys behind the project, reshare certain things, comment on certain Twitter posts, stuff like that. You know how it's done. And then you can climb the leaderboard and then probably get an allow list spot if you're high enough in the leaderboard. So you see the 2021, 2022 meta comes back. As I said, I just wanted to give a short overview of 2 or 3 things that you can do. In the next video, we will do more of the practical stuff. But this is one of the most hyped projects, so if you have the chance to get in, it will be probably worth it. Another thing is abstract hot dogs. There's a allow list form online here. I will also put it down in the description. You can fill that out and then you can hopefully get on the allow list. What you can also do is check out Abstract Cats. It's another project. You can join the Discord. If you have the Elite Chat role, you will probably get allow list. At least they tease this. What's the Elite Chat role? This is the role on the Abstract server, which you could get by verifying your NFTs. And there was a lot of partner NFTs from both Sol, Bitcoin, Ordinals, and ETH NFTs like Bored Apes, Azuki, and so on. If they filled out the form, as I showed in my Pengu video, which is here, so hopefully all of you did that, because it is confirmed that those definitely get an allocation of the Pengu airdrop that is coming. So definitely still worth getting the Elite Chat role there. And that's basically it for this video. As I said, this was just part 1, giving a brief overview. In the next video, we're gonna do more practical stuff to actually go into detail, show other upcoming NFT projects, take a look at all the different platforms that are out there, things that we can do on the testnet. So definitely make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.